Okay, we're up and going. How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add the running jump animation. So at this stage at the moment, you can see all we got is a jump, and then when we run, you'll see he jumps, and then it will stop, and it doesn't look right. So what we'll do is we'll add a running jump animation, so when he's running, he'll do a jump. So what you need to do is go to Mixamo, go to your asset that you've decimated and that you're working with. You've got into UE4. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Find Animations. At the top there, you want to type in running jump. As you can see here, this one here. Another thing you can see it's taken a while for it to load. If you're having dramas like that, like I've had, what you want to do is you want to go back to your assets, re-click on your asset, and that will load it. We'll go back to Find Animations, go running jump, click on the top one there, and as you can see here, you can see it's moving. There is nothing here to say in place, but what we'll do is we'll do that in UE4. So what you want to do is you want to click up the top there and say add to your assets, and then you want to go to your assets, your animations, click on your animation, queue download, and you want to set it to Unreal Engine 4 without skin, and then click queue download, and then go to your downloads and download it. Once you've downloaded it to whatever file you want to download it to, unzip the file, and then what you want to do is go to where you've got your animations, and then you want to go import, so this one here I tried to do before, don't like it, so I'll delete that one. Force delete. Right. Go import, running jump, open, set the skeleton to your skeleton that you're going to be using, go import. Right, there we are. So as you can see here, see how it's moving? What you're going to do is go over to your Atom asset details, enable root motion. As you can see, it's now staying still, and go first frame. That doesn't change anything. So then go file, save. Now what we need to do is we need now to add that to your animations, but also we need to add some script to your blueprint. So you want to go to your blueprint, see where you've got jump input. We're going to change this. So we need to create a variable, running jump, it's a boolean, Now, what we need to do is, we'll just disconnect these for now. We need to get the character movement. And then we need to get velocity. Get velocity. Vector length. And then we need to go greater than float. If it's greater than 0, it's a branch. And then we need to go type in can jump. Right. So you got can jump. We need to then set then we need to get the character movement again. Go set jump Z velocity. Type that in as 400. Alright. So that there is our jump. The other thing too is because we've also got a jump when we're standing still, we need to then also get to go from the false. So we'll jump. So now we've got a jump for when we're moving, and we have a jump when we're standing still. Now here we want to go stop jumping. On release, we need to set this back to 0, back to false. We also need to get the velocity. So copy it, paste it, and set that back to 300. Alright, so that's our jump script done in the blueprint. Now we need to go to animations, and we need to go to our anim blueprint. Go to your main character blueprint that you're using for your character. Now in here, we need to set up a variable. Call it running jump. It's another boolean. Now what we need to do, I'll do some cleaning up because there's some room here, makes it easier. See what's going on. Alright. We need to add in off of it there, we need to go sequence. And then we need to go, yeah, somebody sequence. Need to go cast to In this case, we got the VR character. Convert it to a pure cast. Now we need to create a function. So we go function, go can jump. Okay, so now we need to go down to inputs, Boolean, call it should jump. On the output, we'll put can jump. Right. Now we need to get the Boolean. Need to get it. Is it equal equal? Put in a and. I'll go over here. And so if this is false and it equals to this one here being false also, and whatever comes in through here, we then need to go function, we need to get that, and then off of here we need to type in get running jump, connect that up off of our sequence, connect up to our function. Now we need to go branch, or the other way to go is hold down B and do a left click, there goes a branch. And now we need to get the running jump, set that, we need to get it twice, set it on true, set running to true, on false, leave it to false. Right. Now, what we need to do is, what's this one? Jump start. Oh, that must have been the problem. Did I delete it? I must have done. To double check it. Jump, jump loop, running jump, standard run. I must have bloody deleted it. Oh, that's alright. I've got to fix this up. It won't take long. Duplicate. Jump, start. Pause. Alright. 0. Right, done. Save. Motion graph. Jump start. fine. For some reason, I don't know why it's doing that. Alright. Can't find pin. Can jump. Alright, so that's now working. Alright, now what we need to do is go to the state machine. Now we're going to create a new state. Add new state. We'll call this running jump. We need to then connect these up. In here, we need to then go to our assets, look for running jump. Let's connect it up. We'll select as pin loop animation. Alright, now go back to default. In here, to show you again, it's this one here where you're going from idle, or you're going from run to running jump. You want to select on that side of that one. Now what we need to do is we need to get speed. If it's greater than 0, and then we need to get running jump and go and boolean, connect that up. Now on this one here, the one that goes back from the running animation back to the idle, or the running jump animation back to the idle, we need to go left click, go time remaining ratio, and your running jump animation. We need to get that, and if it's less or equal to float, and that's going to be set to 0.1, and then connect that up. So now we have the animation set up for the idle run, and it will jump to here. You'll still have the standard. If you're falling, it will then do the jump fall, or if you're jumping off of like the default template where you go up the stairs and you jump off the side, it does that jump. So that still all works. So now what we'll do is file, save all. Let's test this out. So now you've still got the standard jump, as you can see. We'll run, and now you can see we've got that. What's going on there? That should have fixed that. Animation. Running jump. Oh, yep. Force root lock. Make sure that's checked. Alright. And as you can see, we're running and jumping. Run, jump. I'll make this a large screen so you can see. Alright. Run, jump. And now we still got the standard jump. And there we are. All connected up. The only thing is, as you can see here, it's if his left foot's on the ground, it does that, because what it's doing is it's firing the animation where it runs off the right foot. As you can see, if it runs off the right foot on the ground, it's a seamless animation. I tried to do a notifier, animation notifier, where if the left foot's on the ground on the animation, when you hit the jump button, it will run the mirrored animation, but I couldn't get it to work. Said I've only just quickly learnt this, so I can do this video. But this gives you the basis of the standard run and jump, but also still have the normal jump when if you fall off of something. If you want to test that, we'll go into our starter content, go to shapes, go to shape plane. Let's size this up. Let's go 3 times the size. We'll rotate it 30 degrees, so it'll still be able to run up it. Alright, place test set. Where is it? There it is. I'll go large screen, make it easier. And there we are. That's it. If you want to change that, you still can. The other thing too is, you've probably noticed, is when you're going forward, like if you're going around the character, if it's not moving and you move on left and right, the camera will move left. Moving right, the camera will move right. But when you're running and you move right, the character moves left. So we can fix that by going into your blueprint. You got your turn rate. Now see, at the moment, we set it to 45. So what we could do is we could get the velocity. So get character velocity. I like to make it easier. Let's just get this. Yeah, we'll get the whole branch. Copy. And go paste. Oh, that'd be right. Wrong one. Copy. Paste. We'll get this and we'll put it in. We got these two. So if it's false, so if we're not moving, it will do this. We'll copy that, paste, and then we'll create another boolean. So we'll rename this one, instead of being base turn rate, we'll rename it to standing still. Create a new variable, we'll call it running turn rate. Make sure it's a float. We'll copy, undo. Copy this, paste. Get the running turn rate. So we'll put that on. Now is it this one here is going to be 45. 45, oh, that'd be right. 45. And then we'll set that up to there. So if that's true, for moving, so if we are moving, it will then go back to a standard movement for the camera. As you can see now, we'll run forward, push left on the joystick, it goes left, push right on the joystick, goes right, stand still, push left on the joystick, it goes left, camera goes left, push right, and there we are. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this 30-minute video, and hopefully the next one will be a bit different. We might be able to get into the attack animations. Cool. Well, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.